Everybody wanna make it by all means. Not everybody understand what rap to me all means. The rappers are all mean, I mean I'm too mean. Me and Venom gonna make it by all means. Rappers playing the game, won't mention no names. You can't claim your wax song sick of me. Your wax bars are the same, fame rotting your brains. You got money in hoes, I'm so sick of it. Because it's common, I call my content. I'm back at Trakan, spit up all the game in the young high. Skip on the talent, and Ngulumkala, go Kalising Hala, is Kumba Sakan, is a coach, I can go train it. As it don't as in Mola, is from the Bajan, is a candidate, it's a Hala for the Humbele Omono, Lama Kalangas, and Lama Kobo, and the show me the Chasa, the Shangan, and I'm shot.
It's been a long time repeating the killing. I'm forcing my way and I'm killing everything for the taking. I'm saying no limits, I'm really focusing on the mission. The passion is given, the chosen one is hidden in secret. They come to reveal him, I come to you before as a vessel. They throw his stiff in a camera, so I can't delete it. The shine is still missing, the light I hold is still in my spirit. Ignition is kicking, the fast speed cannot be extinguished. The rival assassin, pernicious is the pen, beat the weapon. I don't come a second, it's either me or you choose a second. It's not that the weekend should that us, there is no competition. We stood the commotion to eliminate all the competition. Cause of the commotion, the cause is done, left no competition to stand innovation and wreck the state for all the attention. And ask who the best and separate the church from the nurses. You better be selling the jigs up here when we demands.
We chopping, we on the speed force. We flowing, we on the speed force.
Making rappers lyrically on the speed force. Title, waiting, finna, take us hours by force.
We working, we on the speed force. Complacent, we on the speed force.
Making rappers lyrically on the speed force. Title, waiting, finna, take us hours by force. I do it for the ones who never did it for themselves. Them leaders never deliver, they feeding up themselves. All they be doing is give praise to trash rappers. Dope rappers never really get what they deserve.
Thinking about who's the best of the best when it comes to the best of delivery. When they spit on these songs, talking about looking face to face on their face to face, physically face. So many spins so fast.
Everybody knows, spit down on the mic is a killer. MJ on every fresh way, I'm bringing a thriller. Drugs rotting your brains, you should be taking your dealer. Claiming that you're sick, homie, all you need is a healer.
I do know about who could they put at the top that has the money in the purse, who can slip on this cash, rocking. Run about all the church visualize, you know, television screen so you can only live live. Yeah.
Kono bathana wonde khala mawaza khawekaze kunozala usondele ngomncebo khawukhili amaqhena kabangena zigqibo moyo mdaka wondigubungela ngixhumisa impepho.
And I gotta get in it, I'm seeing no limits. I'm really the one you should be missing. I'm legacy living, I'm living legacy for your children. I tell me who's lacking, cause see you lacking, what I ain't lacking for real.
Khulisile mama ngawo masimba, cheese boys that I knew bethi gcwele masimba. Now role model kimufasa never really had a chip on my shoulder, manje ndigcwele nje masimba.
Never compare me to none of these rappers. Ain't feeling these rappers. They make me wanna brush on these rappers and crush on these rappers and maybe take a shot on these rappers and diss all these rappers. But really I ain't got time for these rappers.
We chopping, we on the speed force. We flowing, we on the speed force.
Making rappers lyrically on the speed force. Title, waiting, finna, take us hours by force.
Crummy river, Oscar your brains out your head. If you get stupid, the bombers go over your head. Then to listen precisely before you pass on your judgment on me, cause what I spit could be over your scale. You're selling stories, the addiction to the test of fame. I can't be friends with famous rappers whose direct is fake. A bunch of puppets, devil worshippers, adding savages, idiots who losing anything in hand in exchange of change.
Assumptions you've been asked, human lies, you've been issue, and wishing I'm a fumble on the path that I'm past. When happiness I'm passing, once for someone to pass through. It's not an issue when you something you can build with. Niggas I'm surpassing them, lyrically exposing them. They never speaking now one issue, that's my only issue with them. Got my class game on, lyrically schooling them. I'm there to have examination, they can never pass through me. We live in the spitter.